Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I have a very interesting video for you, as always. So we have the Uhuru XM900. This is a condenser microphone, which actually you're listening right now. And very interesting, by the way, this Uhuru XM900 is connected to a budget audio interface, which already became my favorite budget audio interface from Behringer, and I'm talking about the UMC22. And this is the XM900 by Uhuru. And I can hear some plosives. So, tip that I think is gonna help you a lot is don't mess up with the plosives. Always make sure you use one of these included in the box, or a pop filter or windscreen. So I will demonstrate right now. Pa, pa, pi, pa, pa. As you can hear, it's very bad. Pa, 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 ta, pa, pa, pa. Pi, pa, pa, pa. So it's not very ideal. And once this is being recorded, it's just very hard to remove all the plosives from the recording. So as you can hear now, the difference are shockingly good. Much better sound. So I do like this microphone because it's affordable, and also doesn't need a lot of power. So as you know, the condenser microphones requiring a 48 phantom power, which actually I will demonstrate. I will show you right now. So let me pull my iPhone, and just to show you a clip that actually I'm using this budget condenser microphone with a budget audio interface. So sometimes we take granted of the gear that we use. We always want the greatest and the latest, but sometimes we have to use what we have, and sometimes there's a really nice companies there that they do really nice, good quality gear for us. So look around, and you may find something that is going to help you for your podcast, for your YouTube, for your voiceover, and so on. Let me pull up the camera and let me show you right now what actually I'm doing. So let me put my camera and video. Alright, so now let me show you first the graph on my Mac. So we have plenty of should I say a volume, because of this is a condenser microphone, and this is the Behringer UMC22. I don't think I'm on focus. Okay, I think this is much better right now. I hope this was not for entire video. That will be bad. But anyway, so as you can see, this is the UMC22 connected to Uhuru XM900, connected to my Mac. So the 48 phantom power is on, as you can see, and the volume is, wow, that's 12 o'clock, so we have plenty of gain. So I do like this audio interface, and the reason for that is it's affordable and the quality is astonishing. And I already tried this audio interface with the Shure Sm7b, and I was shocked about the results. Make sure to watch the video, will be in the descriptions down below. But this microphone is very good. It costs £48 here in UK, around 50 to 55 USA dollars, $60 depends of the price. But for condenser microphone, and also this microphone comes with everything, comes with a scissor arm, comes with a shock mount, comes with an XLR cable, comes with everything you need to start. And yeah, why not? I think if you wanna market for a budget microphone, I think yeah, this is a very good microphone for you. Plus the Behringer UMC22. But anyway, what do you think? What's your budget microphone of choose? So what's your microphone? So let me know in the comments down below. What's your budget microphone? Any recommendations? Leave it in the comments down below. If you have any questions, please hit me up. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.